Zdravo. Fara da ste došli. That means, hello, thank you for being here in Bosnian. I'm Amela Subasic, and I'm a creative director, and I'm also a Bosnian immigrant. My family and I fled the Bosnian War in the early 90s, and we moved to Germany. And I remember I loved living in Germany. I have an older brother and a younger sister, and the three of us are very creative, very social, very outgoing. We had so many friends. And it was one of those towns that it was small enough where you felt like you knew everybody and everybody knew you. And Germany was such a wonderful childhood experience of mine. And then in 1999, Germany forced all of its refugees to leave the country. And so we had to move again. And this time we moved to America, and we moved to Idaho where we had family. And this was such a different experience for me. I'd gone from a place where I had a lot of friends, and I flourished in my relationships and my friendships, to getting to a place where I didn't even have the communication to make a friend. And I just remember the countless mornings of just crying, not wanting to go to school, and begging my dad not to take me. And I remember the amounts of lunches I spent in with my teacher because I didn't want to go outside. But the thing that I remember the most is just how stupid I felt. And I just hated being in America. And then it was 4th grade and Valentine's Day. And I noticed everybody was bringing in Valentines for each other, little doodles and notes for each other to share. And I couldn't write, but I could draw. And I could draw very well. And so I started to doodle these Valentines for everybody in my class. And I noticed that the kids started to notice me, and they got excited. And they came over and wanted me to draw for them. And they wanted them to teach me how to, for me to teach them how to draw. And I noticed that they wanted to be my friends. And in that moment, I realized that I didn't need a language to connect us, but I could use my creativity. And in that moment, I realized that my art was my voice. And now, I am a creative director in New York City. And it is my job to help people with their communication, with a mission to promote brands, give out their messaging, and to make sure that any time that there is a voice that wants to be, it is heard loud and clear. Hvala da ste došli.